In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Photoshop scratch disks are full errors by clearing temp files, freeing up space, and choosing a better scratch disk. This quick routine not only gets Photoshop running again, it also helps it stay smooth over time. First, make sure Photoshop is completely closed. Save your work, then quit the app. It's important that it's fully shut down so none of its temporary files are in use while you clean up. Next, let's remove Photoshop's temp files. On Windows, press the Windows key plus R to open the run box, type %10% and press enter. This opens your temporary files folder. Find and delete files whose names start with Photoshop temp or ALPST. You might not see both types, and that's okay. If some files refuse to delete because they're in use, just skip those. You can safely remove the rest. Clearing these files frees up space that Photoshop was using for temporary work. On a Mac, open Finder and navigate to Users, your username library caches, Adobe. Inside, remove the Photoshop temp files you find there. If you don't immediately see the library folder in your user directory, it's normal. It can be hidden by default. The key is to reach the Caches Adobe folder within your user library and clear Photoshop's temporary items. Now free up additional space on the drive, empty your recycle bin or trash so deleted files are actually removed from the disk. Then move large files like videos, archives, or old project folders to another drive or delete what you no longer need. Photoshop's scratch disk works best when there are several gigabytes available, so giving yourself extra headroom will improve performance. Once you've cleared space, set Photoshop to use a drive with more free storage for its scratch disk. Open Photoshop and go to Preferences. On Windows, that's Edit, then Preferences, then Scratch Disks. On a Mac, go to Photoshop, Preferences, then Scratch Disks. In the list, select a drive that has the most free space. You can uncheck your main drive if it's tight on storage, or keep multiple drives checked to give Photoshop options. Confirm your changes. Finally, restart Photoshop so the new scratch disk settings take effect. You should notice that the scratch disks are full message is gone, and tasks like opening large files or running filters feel more responsive. If you keep space free and occasionally clear temp files, you'll minimize slowdowns and avoid running into the same error in the future.